Hey, what up, y'all? It's your boy, Degenerate, coming at ya July 24th, 2019. Um, Today's a Wednesday, and I'm still looking at the price of Bitcoin. I was listening to this financial planner that I came across on YouTube that I had met at Insight this past year. And I had a conversation with him, and I thought it was real cute that I found him on YouTube. But when I was looking at some of their content, um, something that they brought up was, what do I want my money to do? And I thought that was a really good question. So I just want to share it with y'all. Think about it. Like, what your dollars are your votes, straight up. So when I think about what I want my money to do, I have goals that can span everything from retirement to getting a sandwich. So you have like short-term goals, and then you have long-term goals. Short-term goals are for me to play this game of Bitcoin, and to beat that game. The index isn't my game. Your S&P 500 isn't your New York stock that's not my game. I'm glad that it's available for people and that they can put their money in a vehicle that helps them retire. But today, with my time, I just want to play my game of managing my risk and being a degenerate every day when I wake up. I'm placing trades that I think will allow me to do it tomorrow. My goal is to beat my game, and the index returns don't. If the index returns are more than me, that's great. But at the end of the day, I'm only in a game with myself, and as long as I don't run out of assets, then I can keep playing the game. Anyway, it's just something that I've been processing. Yeah. Anyway, let's look at the fucking charts. This is what we're looking at here on the 4 hour. You saw 97.20 price level. It went all the way down to 95, like 95.70, depending on what exchange you were on. There's still not a lot of volume coming in, and that's concerning for me because I am looking for something like this, And I get that this is a pretty big, this is a 10.5 all the way down to, this is a pretty big drop. This is like $1,000 drop right here in this 4-hour period. So, you know, of course you have more volume, but this volume isn't convincing. We did have a 9 count. And this previous 9 count has not broken this previous 9 count. So I expect us to keep ranging in this area. And if I'm talking about ranging, you know, here's where the 9 count is here. Here's a triangle. That's way over to the right. And then you have, that's pretty clear where sellers have come in right there. And if it breaks above 10.8, when it closes above that, that's super bullish. We talked about that a couple days ago. But right now, this 4-hour is your first sign of bullishness right here. You have another hour before this candle closes. And if it closes above this 9.844, you know, that could be a reason to be bullish. But, you know, do it on a shorter term basis. So your 3-to-1 trade looks like that. If you're getting bullish right here for the first time. Personally, I don't have a lot of faith in it. I see more volume coming in this past hour. It's more bullish if this hour closes anywhere above this candle. Like this candle closed at the very top. But there's just, like I said, there's not a lot of volume that conforms with that idea. And there wasn't a lot of volume that transferred out around here. So, you know, your safest play has been following the trend, and that's been a short. Here's just some levels I'm watching. If I get back into this trade, I want to be at the 96.30 level. I'm still waiting for like the 8,700 level. If it breaks above 10.3 when I'm out biking, I want to know, because I think that would be bullish as long as volume confirms it. But looking at 12-hour, like looking at the whole day isn't fair. There's an extra 9 hours in the full daily. Look at this volume down here. It's not a lot. You know, this is a beginning of a bullish engulfing candle. But that's all you can go off of. If I had to guess what this is, I would assume it's just consolidation from our fall from like 10.6, 10.7 from this past weekend. I would like to see where the close is tomorrow. Today is currently Wednesday. Thursday is usually the day where you start buying some Bitcoin to sell it on the weekend. You got more retail investors. You can flip it to them. But that's all I got, right? Like, you don't have a lot of bullish cases right now. But the ones that I do see are, keep your stops close. Keep your targets closer. It is falling with lower volume, so maybe everything's just being swallowed. It is a really slow fall. Anyway, looking at mutual funds compared to yesterday, I'm up 0.75%. Not to brag or anything, but yeah, that sucks. 0.75%. It moved like 2% in like a 10-minute range here. So would you rather take traditional markets, or would you rather just take advantage of these opportunities? Again, I want my money short term to be used to play my game. And my game is this. So I'm going to keep doing that. And I hope you find your game. If it's this as well, lit. But I think there's a lot more financial prosperity in managing your own money. In my situation, from someone that is not looking to have a 9 to 5. I'm gonna go bike, and I probably will clock in Friday. Got some plans tomorrow. So trade safely, manage your risk. If you have any questions or comments, or want to give me advice, I'd love it. That's all I got for y'all. Trade safe.